Hi everybody, this is Joe with Joe's Premium Firewood, bringing another fun-filled, exciting video. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a bar unpinched. But before I do that, today's game plan was to fell this standing dead silver maple tree. You can see the bark peeling off it. But when I came out and made a closer look at it, it's gonna get hung up in that tree, that silver maple that's leaning towards it. And then I thought, well, maybe I'll just drop that tree, but then it'll get hung up in this. So the hell with that, I don't feel like messing with it. So I'm out here with Mr. R, and he found another tree over here in this swamp or wetlands or whatever you want to call it, and I started cutting on it. And I'm sure it's happened to anybody that's ever ran a chainsaw before, but I was cutting on this log and got about 3/4 of the way through and bam, pinched it. So I had to go get the tool, take the bar off and leave it in the log, and then I went and got a 16-inch bar, but then I couldn't get that 16-inch chain off. You can see it's stuck in there pretty good. So now this is the first time of me running the 20-inch bar on the 291, and I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up, and hopefully I can get this out here all right, and then you guys can figure out how it's done. So I'll hand the camera off to Mr. R. There you go, sir. And I hope this don't get pinched too, because we're going to be in trouble, because right now my 460, I still haven't fixed the pull cord on that, so this is my only working saw, and I don't want to keep pinching bars in this sumbitch. Well, here we go. Let's get her done. Now come through the bottom. There you go. Now you get it done, son. This guy's gonna film me cutting a couple more logs here for a second, and then we'll get back to work. You guys might think it's cutting slow, but I think it's cutting pretty good. Might have to do some more through the bottom. My fingers are freezing from working on the saw. Thanks, Mr. R. And I'm just gonna cut enough here for a quad trail load. Probably go out to about there. That should be enough to fill it. I got 2 deliveries to do, so guess with that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like Joe's Premium Firewood on Facebook, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.